Hi, welcome to Birchwood Hyundai, Winnipeg's top choice for Hyundai service.
Booking an appointment is easy. Go online, call, or text anytime.
We're open with full service 6 days a week. So often, we're able to get your vehicle in the same day or next.
You're welcome to join us while you wait, or we'll give you a ride directly to wherever you're headed.
We're certified Hyundai trained technicians, and many of us are fully EV certified.
While we service your vehicle, you'll get a personalized video showcasing what you should be focusing on next.
After servicing your vehicle, we offer you a complimentary car wash before getting you back out on the road.
Payment shouldn't involve waiting in line. We make it easy.
Because at Birchwood Hyundai, experience is everything.